Welcome back to Exotic Kits, your one-stop shop for replicas, kit cars and body kits. Hello and welcome back. Friday is here and I have forgotten what we do. Oh, now I remember, it's time for Friday's shoutouts. Dunleo Saruela, Alfred Wong, Mario Musher, Ilmian Fadilson, Michael Jerrick, Alex Citrinas, Christopher Johnson, Dana Barr, Paul Levi, Scott M. Biggs, Rise McKeown, Sword Livan, Alan Shridger, 4DX Moon, Vaclav Piruk, Patrick Reedy, James E. Forshey, Salvador Espada, Dominic Robinson, Kenneth Brenner, Rico Castro Mero, Les Talara, Aditya Keswani, Gary Greenberg, Alyssa Alcold Valand Weaverai, David Rusco, Randy Terwilliger, Russ Keep, Eric K, Ashish Kumar, Michael Lucky Williams, Ilham Sarwar, Lira Severe, Bruce Levesque, Ben Rogers, Junior Peterson, Pedaspherica Papoutia Cyprus, Troy Montgomery, Mariola, Gino Emcurry, Ali Ali, Darren Bedford, Rodney Hambright, Hunter Mushley God Jackson. Thanks to you all for joining. Now on with Friday's video. Due to the sun shining lately, there has been an influx of replicas being listed for sale. So let's look over the best available from low to high price. There are quite a few listed worldwide, so I will do part 2. So let's start with this rather dreadful Ferrari 250 GT that has come up for sale. It's by a company in Dorset that are called Tribute. It is a base car which is the Mazda MX-5. We have previously done a video on how to build, but we did the car not a convertible. This car just looks odd, but I guess it could have some work to improve. It is priced low at just £2,250 on eBay, bid with only 1 day remaining. Not a great lover of this kit, but there are plenty other 250 GT kits out there. This next car is based on a BMW Z3. Looks more convincing. Although this car is for sale for a whopping £20,000. There are plenty of better built cars out there, ranging between £30,000 to £60,000. This is mainly due to the original cars costing in their millions, and everyone thinking that a true collector would opt for a replica. Here are a few better cars. This beautiful example is based on the more presentable Datsun Z260 with modification costing £9,000. I think you can agree this is a good transformation, and costing just £34,950. Now let's look at another classic Ferrari. This Ferrari Mondial 500 replica is a recreation replica. This car has truly outstanding features and is powered by a 2-liter Alfa engine. Only 12 of these cars ever made. and looks every part of a true 1955 Ferrari racing car. Costing £55,000, this could increase in value as recreations normally do. The Ferrari Dino was never classed by Ferrari owners as being a real Ferrari, as it was designed by his son. But now these cars are beginning to rise in value. I remember when I used to see these cars selling for under £20,000, but now genuine cars have rocketed. And more kit companies have begun to recreate it. Most are R2 based, but some are more majestic. This car features a powerful 3-litre 6-cylinder 24-valve. Genuine cars reach £300,000, and this excellent example is listed at just over £41,000. Another great dyno is this brilliant white example. This car looks really authentic and costing only £29,000, and is listed on piston heads.
Tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in.
Now on to the Ferrari Daytona. There are plenty of these available worldwide, and the original car featured a powerful front-engine V12. Most replicas feature Jaguar running gear, and can cost from £15,000 up, depending on condition. This is a sought-after classic that still turns heads as like a classic E-Type. These came as a coupe and convertible, but as far as replicas go, I have only ever seen one coupe. Finally is the Ferrari 308 GTB and GTO. Both cars were loved in the 80s. These cars started with the 308. Again, these cars are increasing in value. They are mostly based on the American Pontiac Fiero, which featured a punchy 2.8-litre V6.
You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile, I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw.
but towards the end of last year a manufacturer called Dave Jones began producing the Ferrari 2880. I voted this the best replica for 2017. The attention to detail is so precise that he also sells the parts to fit the genuine car. He used a MR2 Mark II to produce this rather awesome looking replica, and currently has a built car for sale on eBay for £23,000. I reckon even a Ferrari owner will not be able to tell the difference. That is the end of part 1. Come back Sunday for part 2 and the update of the project's build. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Add us on Facebook for a shout out Friday.